friends, welcome to lesson 61 of the first lessons book by Julio Sagreras. We are going to divide the piece in 8 sections of 4 measures each. Let's start with preparing our left hand. We're going to bring finger number 3 to string number 5, fret number 3, and finger number 2 to string number 4, fret number 2. We're going to bring our right hand thumb to string number 5, our index to string number 4, and our middle finger to string number 3. We're going to lift our right hand just a little bit, keeping the fingers aligned with the strings that we prepare them for, and that is our starting position. Let's start with the first section, measures 1 to 4. We need to pluck string number 5 with the thumb, and then we pluck simultaneously strings number 4 and 3, 4 with index and 3 with middle fingers. And we do that again. The time signature for this lesson is 3-4. So we're going to be counting 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3 throughout the lesson. Let's listen to measure number 1. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Something interesting about these 4 measures is that finger 2 is going to remain in its position the entire time. So we're going to be moving fingers 3 and 1, while finger 2 remains on string 4, fret number 2. Measure number 2 starts with finger number 1 on string 5, fret number 2. We pluck string number 5 with the thumb. We pluck strings 4 and 3 at the same time, and then we bring finger 3 to string 5, fret 3, and we pluck once. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. For measure number 3, we are going to need the open 5th and finger 2 still on fret number 2, string number 4, and the open 3rd string. We pluck string 5 with the thumb, and then twice strings number 4 and 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. To start measure 4, we need finger 3 on string 6, fret number 3. Finger 2 remains in the same spot, and we still need open 3rd string. We plug with the thumb, string number 6, and then we play twice simultaneously strings 4 and 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. And now let's listen to the entire section. Measures 1 to 4. Notice how finger 2 is going to stay in the same spot, and fingers 1 and 3 are going to be doing all the work. 1, 2, 3. Let's focus our attention to the finger picking patterns that we are going to need through the entire piece. There are 2 main finger picking patterns. One is comprised of thumb and index and middle twice. In section 1, you see it in measure number 1, measure number 3, and 4. Measure number 2 has the other finger picking pattern, which is thumb, index and middle at the same time, and thumb again. And through the entire piece, we're going to have these 2 finger picking patterns interacting, except for the last measure that changes a little bit. Section number 2 goes from measures 5 to 8. Measures 5 and 6 are exactly the same as measures 1 and 2. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Measure 7 starts with the open 5th, played with the thumb of the right hand, and finger 3 goes to string 4, fret 3. We keep playing string number 3 as an open string, and we play index and middle twice. Let's listen to that measure once again. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. To play measure 8, we're going to keep finger 3 in the same spot that we had it for measure 7, and we're going to bring finger number 2 to string number 6, fret number 3. We start plucking with the thumb, string number 6, and then twice strings 4 and 3. Let's see that measure again. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Let's have a listen to the entire section number 2, measures 5 to 8. 1, 2, 3. Section number 3 goes from measure number 9 to measure number 12. And we start at measure number 9 with finger 3 on string 4, fret 3. We're going to need open third and open second strings throughout the entire section. So we start with plucking string number 4 with the thumb, and index and middle play strings 3 and 2 simultaneously 2 times. 1, 2, 3. To play measure number 10, we need finger 2 on string number 4, fret number 2. So we're going to be removing finger 3 as we place finger 2 in its spot. We are going to pluck that string number 4 with the thumb. Index and middle play strings 3 and 2 once, and then finger 3 goes back to string number 4, fret number 3. Let's see and listen to measure number 10. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Measure 11 needs only open strings. We play string number 4 with the thumb, and then strings 3 and 2 twice. And to play measure number 12, we need to bring finger number 2 to string number 5, fret number 2. And we're going to pluck it with the thumb. Simultaneously, strings 3 and 2. Let's see and listen the entire section number 3. 1, 2, 3. Section number 4, measures 13 to 16. Start with an open 5th string, plucked with the thumb. Index and middle play strings 3 and 2. And then we need finger 3 on string 6, fret 3. Pluck it with the thumb. 1, 2, 3. Then to go into measure 14, we need to bring finger number 2 to string number 5, fret number 2, as we remove finger number 3 from string number 6. We pluck string number 5 with the thumb, index and middle play string 3 and 2, and then open 5th. Measure 15 requires to have finger number 3 on string number 6, fret number 3, pluck it with the thumb, and then finger number 1 needs to go to string number 2, fret number 1. Index plucks string number 3 and middle plucks string number 2 twice. Finger number 1 is going to stay there for the next measure, measure 16. We're going to need to remove our finger number 3 from the 6th string to play it as an open string with the thumb, and then simultaneously index and middle play strings 3 and 2 twice. Let's see and listen section number 4. 1, 2, 3. Section number 5 is exactly the same as section number 1. Let's have a listen. 1, 2, 3. Section number 6 goes from measure 21 to measure 24. We start with the open 5th plucked by the thumb, and finger 2 goes to string number 2, fret number 2. Index plays open 3rd, and middle finger plays the 2nd strings. Once and twice. Measure 22. We're going to keep finger 2 in the same spot that we had it in measure 21, and finger 1 is going to go to string number 4, fret number 2. We play string number 4 with the thumb, index and middle play strings 3 and 2, and then the thumb plays string number 5 as an open string. To play measure 23, we need to start with finger number 3 on string 4, fret 3, pluck it with the thumb, and then we bring finger 2 to string 3, fret 2, and finger 4 to string 2, fret number 3, if possible, at the same time. And then the right hand plucks strings 3 and 2 with index and middle fingers twice. We're going to need to keep fingers 2 and 4 in the same spot, and we're going to start measure number 24 with an open 4th string, and then the accompaniment. Let's have a listen to the entire section number 5. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. To go into section number 7, we are going to leave finger number 2 on the spot that we have it. And we are going to start by playing open 5th string with the thumb. We bring finger number 3 to string number 4, fret number 3. We press with finger 3 and 2, and we pluck twice those 2 strings. We're going to keep finger number 3 right where we have it, and to start measure number 26, we're going to bring finger 2 from string number 3 to string number 5. We start that measure plucking string number 5 with the thumb, and then index and middle play 4 and 3 twice. To play measure 27, we're going to need our finger 3 to do a quick movement from string number 4 to string number 5. We pluck that string with the thumb, and then finger 2 goes to string 4, fret 2, and we pluck strings 4 and 3 at the same time, twice. We're going to keep finger 2 where we have it, and to start measure 28, we are going to pluck string number 4 with the thumb as we remove finger 3 from the 5th string. We're going to bring finger 1 to string number 2, fret number 1, and we're going to pluck strings 3 and 2 with index and middle fingers, twice. Let's see and listen to section number 7 without interruptions. 1, 2, 3. And section number 8 measures 29 to 32. We start with finger number 3 on string number 4, fret number 3. We pluck it with the thumb. Index and middle play open 3rd and 2nd strings. And then we need to change the finger on string number 4 to finger number 2 on fret number 2 and pluck it with the thumb. Let's see this measure once again. 1, 2, 3. Measure number 30 starts with an open 4th with the thumb, open 3rd and 2nd with index and middle, and then finger 2 goes to string number 5, fret number 2, and we pluck it with the thumb. Let's see that measure once again. 1, 2, 3. And to go into measure 31, we are going to bring finger 3 to string number 5, fret number 3, right in front of finger number 2. And we're going to pluck string 5 with the thumb. We play open 3rd with the index, open 1st with the ring finger, and then we bring, if possible at the same time, finger number 1 to string number 2, fret number 1, and finger number 2 to string number 4, fret number 2. With the right hand, we're going to use index for the 4th string and middle finger for the 2nd string at the same time. And then we mute all the strings. And then we are done. Let's listen and see section number 8. 1, 2, 3. And that is lesson 61, the most extensive lesson so far in the first lessons book by Julio Sagreras. When lessons and pieces are very long, it can be extremely challenging to practice the entire piece in one session. It's a good idea to divide it into smaller sections. I have divided it into 8 4-measure sections in this tutorial, but we could very well do 4 sections of 8 measures each, 2 sections of 16 measures each. We adapt the lesson to our time availability for each practice session. If you're feeling a little bit overwhelmed by the extension of the piece, make every section a mini lesson in itself, and then you can glue them together, you can attach them together and create the entire lesson. As usual, you will find a link to a play-along video in the description box below, as well as other resources. I hope this video was useful for you. Thank you very much for watching. I'll see you on the next one. Keep enjoying the process.